scientists. So I've been spending some time observing this slinky. And so as scientists, yep, you're a scientist, thinking about and just kind of what questions come as you observe the slinky. So observing the slinky as it is like this, or like this, or maybe you've even had experience and you did a slinky, whoa, you did it on the stairs and used it on the stairs. So as scientists, we are observers and we are looking at the world around us and we're noticing the world around us. And what we're going to do today is we are going to watch a phenomenon. I want you to say that word, phenomenon. It's kind of a funny word, but a phenomenon is an observable event that occurs in our universe where we can use science to explain what's happening, or we can use science to make predictions. Like, this is what I know about science, so this is what I think is going to happen, okay? So in the next piece of work that you're going to do, you are going to watch a Slinky Phenomenon. And the person in the video is going to ask you to make a prediction. So as you're watching, I want you to be able to think about, what do you think is going to happen? So as a scientist, think about what you've learned about science in the past and use your science knowledge to make a prediction. And then once you've watched the video, you can watch the Slinky Phenomenon as many times as you need to. And then you'll go to the next section and I'll show you where you're going to put your prediction.